Magandang araw mga ka-aerial defense, may ibabahagi na naman ako sa inyo. Dahil ngayong araw na ito ay may pag-uusapan tayo tungkol sa depensa, hukbong sandatahan ng Pilipinas naka-high alert at nakahandang pumalag kapag gumawa ng military base ang China sa West Philippine Sea. Pero bago tayo magpatuloy, huwag mo muna kalimutan mag-like, share and subscribe. Manatiling nakatutok sa aming channel para updated ka sa balitang militar at West Philippine Sea. May mga contingency plan kung sakaling magsagawa ang China ng reclamation activities sa Bajo de Masinloc o Scarborough Shoal sa West Philippine Sea, na itinuturing ng gobyerno ng Pilipinas bilang isa sa mga red lines nito. Ang pahayag ay ginawa ni Philippine Navy spokesperson for the West Philippine Sea Rear Admiral Roy Vincent Trinidad, nang tanungin kung handa na ang militar sakaling magsimulang bawiin ng China ang Bajo de Masinloc. Tinanong muli kung ano ang mangyayari kung ang red line na ito ay nilabag.
Pinaghahandaan ba yung possibility na they will actually start reclaiming Bajo de Masinloc as part of this overall waiting? And red line ba sa atin ang reclamation? What do we do if this happens? I mean, I'm sure it's part of the scenarios na pinaghahandaan natin.
Yes, there are 4 red lines given by the government. One of these is the no reclamation on Bajo de Masinloc. The AFP, the Philippine Navy, has appropriate contingency plans in place in the event that this will be violated.
So hindi tayo papayag, sir, na mag-start sila ng reclamation namin?
These are red lines, non-negotiable, na gagawa siya ng any structure or reclamation on Bajo de Masinloc.
Anong mangyayari, sir, if they do that?
We have the appropriate contingency plans in the armed forces to address that.
Noong Marso noong nakaraang taon, sinabi ng opisyal ng Navy na hindi maaaring alisin ng China ang BRP Sierra Madre sa Ayungin Shoal, dahil itinuturing din ito ng gobyerno na isang red line. Sinabi ng Pilipinas nitong Martes na naalarma ito sa mga patrol ng Chinese Coast Guard na lumalapit sa baybayin ng bansa. Sinabi ng Pilipinas na ang pag-deploy ng China ngayong buwan ng isang halimaw na Coast Guard vessel ay nagpakita ng tumataas na pagsalakay ng China sa pinagtatalunang karagatan. Ang mga barko ng China ay dinploy mas malapit sa baybayin ng Pilipinas ngayong taon. Sabi ni Malaya, na ang pinakabagong mga paggalaw ay isang taktika ng pananakot na nilayon upang pigilan ang pangingisda ng mga Pilipino.
Lately, we were surprised about the increasing aggression being showed by the People's Republic of China in deploying the monster ship. No? And the monster ship is not close to Bajo de Masinloc. It's getting closer also to the Philippines, to the Philippine coastline. As mentioned by Commodore J. Tariela, it's 70-something nautical miles, 77 nautical miles from the coast of Zambales. So that is alarming. And our assessment of that situation is that it's a clear effort on the part of the PRC to intimidate our Filipino fishermen, no, who simply rely on fishing as part of their livelihood. No? And I think the message that we'd also like to convey to the People's Republic of China is that we will continue to support our fishermen. No? If the objective is to intimidate our fishermen, then this increases the resolve of the Philippine government to continue supporting our fishermen. For the past several months, we have been conducting a Fisherman's Congress in various parts of the Philippines. The last one was in Palawan, no? Expressing to our fishermen the constant support that we will give them in exercising what is legitimate Philippine rights, economic rights within the exclusive economic zone.
Sinusubaybayan ng Philippine Coast Guard ang ilegal na presensya ng China Coast Guard sa Zambales. Aktibong pinangangasiwaan ng Philippine Coast Guard Offshore Patrol Vessel, BRP Gabriela Silang, ang ilegal na deployment ng China Coast Guard Vessel 5901 sa baybayin ng Zambales Province. Bilang tugon, epektibong napanatili ng BRP Gabriela Silang ang isang proteksyon na posisyon sa pamamagitan ng mahusay na seamanship. Matagumpay na naitaboy ang China Coast Guard sa average na distansya na 60 hanggang 70 nautical miles mula sa baybayin ng Pilipinas.
掌握航行安全，请遵守国际海上避风规则，持续避让。Philippine Coast Guard Vessel 8301. This is China Coast Guard Vessel 5901. Your vessel is threatening my safe of navigation. Please comply with international regulations for preventing collisions at sea. take actions to avoid collision. Over.
China Coast Guard Vessel 5901. This is Philippine Coast Guard Vessel BRP Gabriela Sila, OPV-8301. You are advised that you are currently sailing within the Philippines exclusive economic zone, approximately 59 nautical miles from the coastline west of Cabanas Point, Zambales, Philippines. In accordance with Republic Act 12064, the Philippine Maritime Zones Act, the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, of which you are a party, and the 2016 Arbitral Award, you do not possess any legal authority to patrol within the Philippines exclusive economic zone. You are directed to depart immediately and to notify us of your intentions. Your illegal activity will be reported to higher authorities. China Coast Guard Vessel 5901. This is Philippine Coast Guard Vessel BRP Cabrera Sila, OPV-8301. You are advised that you are currently sailing within the Philippine Exclusive Economic Zone, approximately 59 nautical miles from the coastline west of Cabanas Point, Zambales, Philippines. In accordance with the Republic Act 12064, the Philippine Maritime Zones Act, the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, of which you are a party, and the Arbitral Award, you do not possess any legal authority to patrol within the Philippines Exclusive Economic Zone. You are directed to depart immediately and notify us of your intentions. Your illegal activity will be reported to higher authorities. Over.
Mahalagang tandaan na habang ang China Coast Guard ay nagsagawa ng isang hamon sa radyo laban sa BRP Gabriela Silang, na nagsasaad na ito ay lumalabag sa Convention on the International Regulations for Preventing Collisions at Sea, ang paratang na ito ay binabaliwala ang mas kritikal na isyu ng ilegal na presensya ng China Coast Guard sa loob ng Exclusive Economic Zone ng Pilipinas. Ang mahigpit na pagmamaniobra ng PCG laban sa barko ng China Coast Guard ay mahalaga upang maiwasan ang paglapit nito sa baybayin ng Zambales. Ang Philippine Coast Guard ay nananatiling nakatuon sa pangangalaga sa mga interes sa karagatan ng bansa, at patuloy na babantayan at tutugunan ang anumang mga banta sa ating maritime jurisdiction, sovereign rights, at soberanya sa West Philippine Sea. Para sa mas madaming update tungkol sa ating depensa, paki-follow at like muna ng aming page na nasa description na ang link. Huwag mo na rin kalimutan mag-like, share and subscribe. Pindutin mo na rin ang bell para updated kayo sa aking mga bagong video. Maraming salamat po.